When two parts need to be joined together, adhesive bonding is often the ideal solution. It is safe compared to welding, it is non-intrusive compared to drilling, and it's light. But it's hardly used in the industry because it's just not reliable enough. Our technology improves dramatically the reliability of bonded assembly. Our solution is a technological brick called Cyclo. We've cracked the code of reliability by controlling perfectly the bonding operation, even in severe conditions, by encapsulating the bond line for extreme durability, and by improving dramatically the strength and toughness. Our ambition is to use this revolution to democratize adhesive bonding for all kinds of industrial environments. We want to serve construction sector and the structural asset integrity world, including corrosion repair and standard fastening. Longer with less is a driver for us. Our product facilitates life extension of large infrastructure, like nuclear power plants, but also bridges, ships. It then creates an important impact on material efficiency compared to building a new infrastructure. But there is no growth without being smarter. Make adhesive bonding a real alternative to welding or bolting offers safer, lighter, and less intrusive means of joining materials together.